Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can send documents using emails on Gmail really quickly. So let us get started. Head over to your Gmail inbox, for example, accessed via the Gmail web app. And what you want to do is start a new message by clicking on Compose here in the top left. After that, enter the email address of the recipient here, the subject below, and fill the email with some text here. So to attach a document, guys, all you will need to do is click on that paperclip icon here, attach files. After that, locate the file on your device, for example, on your laptop or computer. So let me upload that test document here as an Excel file, for example. Wait for the upload process to be finished. That may or may not take a moment depending on the file size. And after that, you will be given the opportunity to send the file with the email to the given recipient. So that's one option, guys. However, in some cases, for example, your document attached to your email may exceed the allowed file size here for emails, which is usually around 25 MB, if I recall correctly. So if your document, for example, exceeds that limit of 25 MB, Gmail will send you a notification, tell you that it will instead send a shareable link to your Google Drive so that your email recipient may, for example, click on that link and get redirected to his or her Gmail and a Google Drive account to download the given document with a higher MB of 25 MB from there instead of an attachment downloaded from your email. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works in practice. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.